Nathan? Why are you calling? Jack said.
I told you I would call.
Don't you have enough problems right now? For Christ's sake, your daughter is missing, and you're still obsessing over these pictures? What's wrong with you?
I'm paying you. I decide when we talk. It's not like I can do anything to bring her back. My baby girl.
Nathan started to cry. I'm sorry. I know it's stressful.
What am I supposed to do? What's happening to her? What's she feeling? Is she calling for me?
Nathan, you need to rest. Call me in a few days. We'll talk then.
No, Jack, please. I need to do something, focus on something, keep myself from going crazy. Hey, you said there was a man. You said you had pictures.
I don't feel comfortable talking about this right now. You need to get yourself under control.
I'm not going to commit suicide. Your conscience will be clean.
Nathan, Jack sighed. That's not what I'm worried about. It's not good news.
Tell me. You said there was a man.
Nathan, there are 4 men.
4?
Even through the phone, Jack heard the breath go out of Nathan. Yeah, 4.
You have pictures? Of all of them?
Nathan, some of the pictures, well...
I want to see all of them. Nathan was crying again. Even...
There was silence on the phone.
Is she with all of them? Nathan asked. In the pictures, does she...
No, just one. Only one guy she's with. Just one. The others, they're not doing that.
But that doesn't mean she hasn't. You just didn't catch her.
Right. Jack's voice was almost a whisper. That doesn't mean she hasn't.
Tomorrow. We'll meet tomorrow.
Jack sighed.
Nathan, tomorrow, Jack.
Fine.